Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today skipped a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi to assess the impact of Cyclone Yas, choosing instead a quick 15-minute interaction with him at an airbase where his flight landed. She was to attend a cyclone damage review meeting with PM Modi but left after handing him a report. "You wanted to meet me, that is why I have come today. Me and my chief secretary want to submit this report to you. Now we have a meeting at Digha, so we seek your permission to leave," the chief minister was quoted as saying. This was their first face-to-face interaction since the acrimonious Bengal election campaign and Mamata Banerjee's third straight victory. The alleged snub took place when Prime Minister landed at Kalaikunda Air Base in Bengal after an aerial survey of cyclone damage in the state and in Odisha. Mamata Banerjee's office says she had informed the centre about her meeting, but she was asked to wait for PM Modi at the airbase, which enraged her. Rahul Gandhi swipes today at Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the second wave of COVID, and the vaccination slowdown provoked a swift and acrid fight back from the government, with at least two union ministers hitting back at the Congress leader. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said that Rahul Gandhi's comments on PM Modi confirmed the Congress toolkit to defame the government, and his colleague Dharmendra Pradhan remarked that his mindless blabbering was a waste of internet bandwidth. While the responsible citizens of India are using the precious internet bandwidth to keep the wheels of economy churning by working from their homes, the only tangible outcome of senseless, mindless and meaningless blabbering by Rahul Gandhi is the wastage of this precious resource, Pradhan tweeted. Twitter India's top executive tweeted a poster on the microblogging website that was seen as alluding to the trouble the social media giant is facing with the authorities in India. Twitter India Managing Director Manish Maheshwari, who posted the slogan poster today, was criticized by the Delhi police yesterday for allegedly trying to dodge queries on content filtering and on the grounds that he was merely a sales head and had no role in operations linked to the content. "It's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible," Maheshwari tweeted today in what was seen as acknowledgement of the choppy waters in which Twitter has to navigate in India right now. Yesterday, Maheshwari was singled out in a statement by the Delhi police for allegedly taking a path of evasiveness instead of cooperation. Tamil Nadu today further extended the COVID-19 lockdown in the state till 6 a.m. on June 7th amid the second wave of infections and the vaccination slowdown. The earlier period of restrictions was to end on May 31. Supply of groceries will be facilitated through government departments in association with local grocery shops. The deliveries will be allowed between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has instructed the distribution of a kit containing 13 provision supplies to every rice ration card holder through ration shops for the month of June. The centre on Friday said COVID-19 vaccination program in India will be completed by December this year. This announcement by Union Minister Prakash Javadekar came hours after Congress leader Rahul Gandhi claimed that only 3% of country's population is vaccinated against coronavirus. Speaking at a press conference, Javadekar said that last week the Health Ministry made it clear that within December the country will produce 216 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccines. This means that at least 108 crore people will be able to get vaccinated. So Rahul Gandhi should understand that India will vaccinate all by December 2021. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.